One of the things that you want to learn to ride a motorcycle is how to steer it effectively. You want the motorcycle to go exactly where you want it to go, not 1 inch to the right or left. Steering a motorcycle effectively requires the skill and art of leaning the motorcycle. You must not be afraid to lean the motorcycle. Without leaning the motorcycle, it won't turn. Shifting the weight to one side also aids in turning the motorcycle. There is another way to steer a motorcycle, and that is countersteering. You must understand countersteering because at relatively higher speeds, countersteering is essential to effectively turn the motorcycle. Countersteering involves turning the handle away from the side you want to turn. Also, you must enter a turn slow and exit it fast. So, slow entry, fast exit. That's one important point. Guiding a motorcycle through a turn also requires adopting the best possible line. You must stay clear of an oncoming traffic. When necessary, you must be able to maneuver your motorcycle in case there is an unexpected vehicle coming in your path. That requires a room for error. You must not be riding so fast that it becomes impossible to avoid an oncoming vehicle at turns. Sometimes, while entering a blind turn, it may be a good idea to start wider as you approach the turn and move to the inner edge of the turn as you enter the turn. This may aid in better view of the oncoming traffic. At the same time, you must not be so wide that you are unable to avoid a fast oncoming vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Now you can enjoy this view of the ride on this beautiful road to Khajiar.